eating the most famous Korean goopbap from Bisit. Super crowded during lunchtime. They give free condiments and sides. We ordered the pork belly. Perfect ratio of fats and meat. Dip it in the sauce before you eat it. Oh my god, it just melted in my mouth. We also tried Bisit style goopbap. You can add salt or salted prawn to the goopbap. The soup is clear but flavorful. This is such a comfort food. I love their kimchi. Perfect to eat with rice and soup. It adds more flavor to the soup. Time for another pork belly. I'm super focused in adding all the condiments to the pork belly. Next is Milyang style goopbap. Their scallion kimchi is to die for. Devouring everything. Super delicious. Big thumbs up from me.